Managing unwanted vegetation can be quick and chemical-free with the right tool. The best propane torch for weeds offers powerful heat to kill weeds effectively, making outdoor maintenance easier, safer, and more eco-friendly for driveways, walkways, and gardens. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ThermoMaven Weed Propane Torch. The ThermoMaven Weed Propane Torch is an excellent tool for anyone seeking both performance and safety in one package. Built with a triple safety guard, this torch ensures peace of mind while you work. The nozzle is heat-sensitive and turns red when hot, preventing accidental burns, while the secure gas seal minimizes leaks, and a safety lock prevents accidental engagement of the max flame button. This makes it a safer option for beginners and seasoned users alike. The torch offers convenient one-touch ignition that quickly brings the flame to maximum strength, making it a versatile tool not only for weeding, but also for outdoor BBQs, grilling, lighting charcoal, welding, and DIY projects. Capable of reaching a blistering 3,272 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,800 degrees Celsius, this torch delivers instant high heat with ease, eliminating long waiting times and ensuring that even the toughest weeds are burned away quickly. Its ergonomic design and flame control knob make it easy to adjust the intensity, whether you're handling delicate tasks or powering through stubborn overgrowth. While a propane canister is not included due to shipping restrictions, the torch works seamlessly with standard canisters, and proper detachment after use ensures safety. Durable, efficient, and safe, the ThermoMaven is a great all-around propane torch for home and outdoor use. Number 2. SEVENMEET Weed Propane Torch. The SEVENMEET Weed Propane Torch stands out with its powerful heat output and ergonomic design, making it a solid choice for both residential and professional use. Delivering an impressive 1.5 million BTU and temperatures up to 4,000 degrees F, it easily tackles even the toughest weeds with speed and efficiency. Equipped with a built-in igniter, this torch eliminates the hassle of using a separate lighter, improving both safety and convenience during operation. The thoughtful design allows users to light the flame by slightly turning the gas valve, ensuring consistent ignition without wasting fuel. Measuring 37.5 inches in length and paired with an 11.5-foot hose, the torch minimizes bending and strain, which is especially helpful for long weeding sessions in gardens or farms. The ergonomic build enhances comfort, while the flame control valve and turbo burst trigger provide adjustable intensity for different applications. Whether you're burning weeds, melting snow, performing roof repairs, or starting campfires, the SEVENMEET propane torch adapts easily. Although the trigger sensitivity may vary slightly due to changes in pressure and temperature, the flexibility of flame adjustment helps conserve fuel and reduces costs over time. With its power, reach, and multi-purpose functionality, this torch is a practical and efficient solution for homeowners and professionals alike. Number 3. DORLOTI Weed Propane Torch. The DORLOTI Weed Propane Torch is designed with versatility and efficiency in mind, making it an excellent tool for a variety of outdoor and heavy-duty tasks. Featuring a detachable design, it can be configured as a short torch for quick chores like grilling or fire starting, or assembled into a long torch for more demanding projects such as weeding, melting asphalt, or removing road markings. Compatible with both small 1-pound propane cylinders and larger tanks up to 100 pounds, the torch offers unmatched flexibility in fuel sources, ensuring it adapts to different job requirements with ease. Reaching temperatures up to 3,600 degrees F, this torch produces a strong, steady flame that completes tasks faster and with less effort. Equipped with an integrated igniter, it allows for quick, safe startups, while the gas valve and turbo trigger provide easy flame control. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort even during extended use, reducing fatigue. A standout feature is the 12.5-foot PVC-coated hose, which is heat-resistant, durable, and flexible, enabling users to maneuver around obstacles without repositioning tanks frequently. Whether you're flame weeding, clearing ice, or working on construction jobs, the DORLOTI propane torch is a reliable, adaptable, and high-performing tool that delivers both safety and efficiency. Number 4. GAGITER Weed Propane Torch. The GAGITER Weed Propane Torch offers a combination of power, safety, and convenience, making it a reliable companion for various high-heat tasks. Delivering heat levels above 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides a strong flame capable of eliminating stubborn weeds, melting ice, or assisting with construction and repair projects. Its large nozzle ensures smooth and consistent operation, which translates into saved time and less manual effort. Safety is a priority with this torch, as it comes with a CSA-certified igniter and hose, guaranteeing secure ignition and long-lasting durability. The gas valve and turbo trigger allow for one-handed flame control, giving users flexibility to adjust intensity as needed. Comfort is further enhanced by its ergonomic handle, reducing strain during long jobs. The 10-foot CSA-listed hose extends reach, allowing safer and easier use without the need for frequent repositioning, and reducing unnecessary bending or crouching. A unique advantage of the GAGITER torch is its included storage bag, which not only protects the torch from damage, but also makes it highly portable and convenient for on-the-go projects. From weed removal and roofing work to burning brush, thawing pipes, or starting campfires, this multi-purpose propane torch is built to handle a wide variety of tasks with efficiency, durability, and ease of use. Number 5. Clozpleax Weed Propane Torch. The Clozpleax Weed Propane Torch combines raw power with user-friendly features, making it a top pick for homeowners and garden enthusiasts. Packaged in gift-grade quality, it includes a detachable propane torch, a 10-foot hose, and 2 wrenches, giving you everything needed to get started. Its detachable design offers 2 working modes: short mode for small tasks such as grilling and fire starting, and long mode for extended projects like weeding, asphalt melting, and ice removal. Capable of delivering up to 1,800,000 BTUs and reaching a maximum heat of 4,000 degrees F, this propane torch ensures fast, efficient weed elimination and reliable performance across various applications. The 10-foot flexible hose is crafted from 3-layer PVC-coated rubber, engineered to be heat and wear resistant, offering both safety and durability. Starting the torch is simple with its built-in electronic igniter, though the best results come when the gas valve is opened slightly for smooth ignition. The ergonomic handle and customizable pull setup allow for greater comfort and adaptability, ensuring less strain during extended use. Whether you're working in your garden, clearing snow, or handling tough DIY projects, the Clozpleax propane torch is a robust, efficient, and versatile solution designed to save time and energy while delivering professional-grade results. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.